Hi everyone, this is Ms. Granger. In this video, I'm going to go over the directions for how to complete the Unit 3 Summative Assessment, which is on the Google form. You're completing this version of the summative because you did not complete all of your master checks and memes from all of the lessons. And we want to make sure that you have an opportunity to show what you understand in the summative. So let's go through these directions. You're going to select the class period that you're in for your class and type your first and last name first. Part 1 is all about matching. You're going to match the meme to the best description. So you will see a meme that is from and about the topics in our unit, and then you're going to see some choices underneath. There are going to be 5 in part 1. So you'll see a meme, you'll see 5 choices. The next one, you'll see the second meme, and you'll see the same 5 choices. So you're going to choose the best meme for each description in part 1. In part 2, you're going to see kind of the same process. It'll be a second part 2. So you'll see match the description with the meme. Again, you'll see 5 new memes with 5 new choices. So you'll do that for part 2. In this part 3, you're going to see write a description of these memes. What is the meme referring to? And be as specific as possible. So you'll see a meme, you'll see a place to respond, and that will be 2 questions. So you'll have 2 explanations here. Part 4 is where you will make and explain a meme from this unit. You are going to create your own meme from something that you learned in the unit. We've given you 2 choices of meme creation sites, so you'll click here or here to create your original meme. Original means that you have made it, you didn't get it from somewhere else. And then you will add the meme to this summative assessment here on the Google form by clicking Add File. It'll bring up your drive. You can upload from your computer from your drive and attach it to the form. After you attach your meme, create and attach your meme, you will then explain it. So you're going to tell us about what your meme is actually talking about in your explanation. Once you are done, you will go ahead and submit and see what your teacher has to work on if you finish early. Good luck!